Man, up in here, man, old Port Clap City, you feel me? Out here, my cousin, you feel me? We out here rocking one time, my nigga want a good 16 and some gas for y'all one time, blood. Freestyle, bitch. Cinderella, Arm & Hammer. I don't need an apron when I stand behind the counter. Going on vacation, just me and the money counter. Pocket stay stuffed, the nigga can barely stand up. It's UZ, you fucking with me, baby. I get money, yep, ugly old 80s, baby. A manny nigga, my mama said I got crack jeans, the max squeeze, leave slumped on the back streets. Don't ask me, it's tax-free entertainment. I need the cover, got a nigga tied in the basement. I'm tired of waiting, my patience are getting thinner, dog. The general, your lieutenant's laying in the morgue. I punish y'all for worshiping another god. Genocide, how many guys is finna ride? I minimize the beef and eat a homicide. I'm a homeless guy, dressed up like Raggedy Ann. Cause these niggas switch up like a yearly trend. Got the candy yams, thanks to be giving that. Fresh out of the jail cell and got his million cracked. Still attached to the street like the street lights. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, that mean there is right. Cause I don't write my shit, I just freestyle it. Got her chewing on my dick like she eating salad. I'm a product regardless of my environment. Fuck a bitch, them hoes is unloyal too. Keep your faith in Duke and I shall carry you. You know what I'm saying? I'm the man of the hour now. You niggas running from niggas, why I just run the town? Burn it down, rebuild it, and call it Loveyville, bitch. Rap. You didn't stop?
Keep recording.
We gonna keep gassing.
Look, while we recording, it's important that you listen to me. I got that 9mm Uzi on me ready to flee. Niggas got beef with me, then I'm making them bleed. Hit them up, chest, 9mm your D. Give a fuck about you punk niggas talking. 9mm you niggas stuck walking. Give a fuck about that niggas hit the nigga with the Smith, but nigga chalk walking. It's never a beef. Hit them up with the heat, making these niggas leak. Ripping these niggas the bitches, nigga got all the niggas chopped up to piece. As you niggas ain't never fucking with this. I come in there ready to hit them up, extend the clip straight to your mouth and leave them up.
You bitch ass niggas can't fuck with us, bruh. It's too easy, man. You know what I'm talking about? It's too easy, bro. My cousin right here, man. Fucking with it, though. Clowning one time, man. It's over.